Tuesday, April 25th. We're getting the first look at the lawn, or I'm showing you the first look at the lawn since I did the humic acid. So take a look. So here we have it. It melted quite favorably. It's been exactly 1 week since I put the humic acid down. A lot has melted for two reasons. One, it was a little bit warmer. It still snowed several times between now and then. And two, the humic acid melts the snow. Look at the damage the plow did, okay? You can see all that damage right there. All this sod got torn up. Holy crap, it's way worse than I thought it was. Look at that. That's a straight up ledge right there. Maybe I should try to grab the sod and put it back in place there. That's just a straight up a pisser offer right there. So I should probably get out Rick the roller and roll it, flatten it down right there. Oh my gosh, that's freaking sucks. That's not too bad. That's pretty comical actually. Pretty ridiculous for what I'd say. Honestly, this is just freaking nuts. There. Better than nothing. It will regrow a little bit. Look at how much. That's just freaking crazy. It's definitely gonna need the roller for sure. I think that went like that. But if I roll this, it'll just flatten it all out. It's freaking crazy. It's so ridiculous. I mean, look how much damage there is. They're like, oh, we'll just scrape it off. I wonder where the sprinklers are. I'm sure the sprinklers are just destroyed. That's crazy. Look at that mold on there. See the snow mold? You can kind of see it right there. So I was going to run the blower and try to clean off the lawn today, but I don't know. Maybe I'm not gonna do that today. Maybe I'm just gonna kind of put this back down and see what happens here. I was just gonna scrap all these and throw them away and kind of start over, but might as well save them. Really sucks. Really sucks. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Best course of action is going to be to get the roller out here as soon as possible. But I think the roller is in a pile of snow somewhere. But roll it when it's nice and wet so you can smash it down and level it out. That's what I've come up with. See that? Just kind of piece it back together. There were several pieces a few days ago that when I blew them across the street over there. But the roller I think is buried. So let's go take a look and see what the roller situation's like. If I can get it out here, that would be Rick the roller. So look, see how nasty, dirty the lawn is? I need to come out here with the blower and clean it up. But the humic acid definitely did work. 100% worked. And you can see over here where I did not spread any humic acid. Definitely have some meltage for sure. A lot more snow over here. Much thicker. So probably got maybe half the melt. Maybe not quite, maybe 40% more it melted. So see the snow plow damage there. Let's go and take a look and see if we can find Rick the roller. You know, I did have a ice dam leak there, and there was a fella named William O'Brien who works for a heat cable company or heat trace. He's like, hey, I got this heat trace. So I'm gonna put up some heat trace or cable. I need to clean up all this crap. You can kind of see the blackness of the humic. Look at all this snow. Look at that, snow mold. All this is just gonna turn into snow mold unless you come out here and fluff it up like that. Look at all that snow mold damage. So much cleanup to do. I was right in the middle of cleaning all this up. All this crap, it was in the garden. I was right in the middle of cleaning it up. And I left it there, and then the next day it snowed. And then it was all over from there. That mower is a piece of crap. Freaking hate that thing. Straight garbage. I think Rick the roller's right back here. If I can get it started. Ooh, yeah, I can get it going. It's right there. Yeah, so I'm gonna start it. It was in a huge pile of snow. I mean, look at this damage, okay? Skid steer. Look what the skid steer did to my ladder. I moved that with the skid steer. Moved all this crap with the skid steer. I actually really like this machine a lot. It's awesome. What? It's broke. What the crap? Oh no, no, no! I'm telling you, the winter is such a travesty. Freaking sucks. Look, this isn't engaging. This is supposed to engage the steering. This thing's not engaging the steering. To go like that. Turn the choke on. Oh, my rope! Look at that! Sure, we got gas in it. I see gas in there. It sucks. So the rope's gonna have to be replaced. Oh, that freaking sucks. You wanna see what else I acquired in the off season while I was away? This guy. Why do you need that? This guy. That's a bona fide spray rig. I'm gonna fix it up and run it back into the ground. So yeah, so I'm gonna put my stuff in there, water my plants and fertilize my plants, fertilize my lawn, and hook it up to a long 300-foot hose, and then just use my boom on my little spray thing so I don't have to refill. I just mix it up in there and just go. It's gonna be so awesome. I can't wait to use it. But that's a pisser offer. I need that to work. Oh, I see the problem. I don't know if that is the problem. I see a problem. Oh, I gotta get that out of there. It's got to get out of there. Gas is on. Oh no! No! Oh, that sucks. So we got two things. The rope is toast, and then steering broke. So let's see if some starting fluid will do it. Should. So that really sucks. It's a bad predicament. Can't steer the thing. Turn the gas off. So it looks like this is the casualty right there. I don't know exactly what is the problem yet. Looks to me like there's a broken piece of metal. So you can see that's bent right there. So that's the issue right there. See that? So it was welded. It's that's an easy fix. I'm pretty sure I can get that down to the ace. What time is it? 6:54. So I probably won't be able to get down and get a replacement one of those till tomorrow. If they even have it, which they probably won't, but... Oh, I hate winter so bad. Well, why don't you move? 'Cause I want to move. I like it here. I just hate winter. Don't kid yourself. See? Snow. So 5/8. Wrong size. Got the crescent wrench. 15 millimeters. Wrong size. 9/16 is the right size. Oh. There, so see that? That was like that. That's crazy. Little swivel ball there broke. See that? I highly doubt they'll have this at the Ace. I think I may get lucky and find something like this, but look, that's bent. That's no big deal. We can bend that back into shape. But this was like that. Not a big deal, really. Just have to see if I can find a threaded rod. Not a big deal. And then one of these. And I'm pretty sure they've got these at the Ace. Man, I might just get lucky. But I need it today. I need this today because now I can't roll my thing. Can't roll the lawn. I want it now. I want it and I want it now. What else should I do? What else should I do? So I could get out the blower and start blowing and cleaning. Or I could work on my motorcycle. Or I could do nothing. Or I can edit. That. I'm gonna get the rake out. All right, so it turns out I can't really do anything unless I use the blower, and I just am not feeling it right now. So I can't find a simple bow rake. I've got like 12 of them, but I can't even find one. It's the story of my life. All I ever do is look for freaking tools, look for things. There's definitely things that can be done. Still a lot of snow to be melted. But I'm giving it like a week and it'll be gone. But look how big this pile is over here on the north side of the house. That's probably almost 6 feet tall right there. And I wish it wasn't sitting there. It's right up next to the house. So there still is a lot of snow here. There's a lot of work to do, no doubt about it. I think that's gonna do it for this video. I gotta go get parts for the roller, a rake, and then I can start working. But anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.